straight.
We're going to Med Bay. Go.
Esri? I don't think so, not Esri.
Yung joke niya, yung mga...
I know, ang nerd kayo ng mga joke niyan. Ew, somebody didn't pick up there. Ang corny kayo ng mga joke niyan. See? No. They disappeared. You should have...
Oh, this is the shortcut?
Right, goes, connects. I'm sure they're waiting for us.
Bah, hindi pa napunta rito.
I know, we've never been here.
I want to bring you back home.
No, that's somebody's.
To their home.
Come on.
You might bring it back to the cat's house.
No, she knows how to get home.
No, she knows how to get home. Come on.
How does she?
Cats are doing cat things.
Oh, I remember. I watched a video about something like that. Okay, never mind. Stop touching the cat.
Ended up pull on your pants though.
Duck crossing pa.
Watch out for ducks.
Yung duck.
Lake?
Malaki din yung lake, oh.
Yeah, but the water is low.
Hindi siya flowing na lake. Para siyang fish pond. See yung
What happened to the bike?
His chain got off.
Oh, did you fix it?
Yeah, Liam wants water.
Oh.
Liam. Oh, here.
Roger.
I kind of like to call Liam.
is your
Yeah,
chain
no, it's okay.
fixed?
No, I was trying to get it.
No.
So we need
It's
the
happened more than once,
Hi,
though.
Leo.
So.
Where do you want to put it?
As a
Here?
girl,
Oh no, it's on the very very bottom.
last-
This one?
Yeah, very bottom.
Okay. You go. Go.
Mine will be Reese.
There you go.
Boom.
It worked?
Everest.
Okay. Let's go.
Everest.
Emmer from Paw Patrol. Alright, Honda, can you hold again?
Okay.
Remind me not to touch anything. That's a bite.
Here's the tree.
we call this up.
Yeah. Ito maganda. No?
Sarili mo yung area.
Oh my God, your son needs to
So yun ang
slow down.
trail.
Yeah, pababa.
So ito yung connection sa neighborhood.
Yeah. He needs to slow down.
Saan ba niya helmet niya?
Yes. Oh man. I hope he's okay. Kaya naman niya i-control, di ba? We need to teach him how to ride the bike. Kaya lang ang yard mo ganyan lang. No?
Mahirap lang dahil pababa.
Yeah. Walk out.
Hindi mo magagamit.
Walk out basement din siya. Oh, okay lang to sa Segway, no?
Yeah.
Kasi hindi dire-diretsong ganon. Pag ganon. Ay, kinabahan ako dun, ha?
May ano pa ba? Jogging ni...
Oh, wow. Oo nga. Ito na, yung favorite natin. Oh. Ito, ang ganda nito, oh. Ah, may creek.
Kasi ang ganda ng wraparound na
Porch,
patio.
diba? No? Pwede ba ipa-wrap around nyo atin?
Pwede, ganun.
Diba?
Oo.
Start natin sa ano, para around natin. Ganda
Pwede.
siya, ha? Pwede, may kuna na wrap around.
Kasi
Ganda
kapraso
yan.
lang naman yung dagdag.
Yeah.
Yan, maganda siya, no?
Ganda rin ito. Oh.
So, anong side to ng neighborhood?
Ah, Ducks, ano ba yan? Duxbury? That's a good walk. We should do this tomorrow. Mark.
That's our new jogging trail.
Yeah.
Has a good amount of hill.
Kasi puro ganun ang basketball.
Yung
Gusto nga daw niya.
Goalzilla.
Yeah.
No,
What's the brand, Mark?
Goalrilla.
Gorilla? Yeah, Gorilla. Yeah.
Kasi kita mo kailangan lahat nakasimento sa homeowners.
Gorilla. Kalagay tayong ganun. Ito, tagal na. Hindi nakakaayos yung hard na.